When I'm working at the bandsaw, there's a lot of times when I need to make a small cut. Here I'm taking just about 3/8 of an inch off of this walnut blank. Now, I need a way to be able to complete the cut safely and not get my fingers in the way. Your typical table saw push blocks and push sticks just don't usually work. Thankfully, there's something that you carry, probably in your shop apron already, that will do the job for you. And that's a carpenter's pencil. So I always have one of these around for making rough measurements and marks on work pieces. And it also is the perfect tool to guide a workpiece through the blade. It's narrow enough to fit it between the blade and the fence for a lot of the cuts that I make. And if it accidentally contacts the blade, it's no big deal. The other thing that I like about it is that the pencil is small enough that I can keep one in the miter gauge slot of the bandsaw, and it's going to stay below the surface, and when I need it, I can just pick it up, grab it, and push a workpiece through. So it's a great way to stay safe and organized when you're working at the bandsaw.